What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at video straight out of the Leica Q2 and how it relates to utilizing it as a YouTube studio camera. Alright everybody, thanks for stopping on by. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to this channel. So a few months ago, I made the leap and purchased the Leica camera, the Leica Q2. And we've made videos on this channel regarding the image quality of this camera, the overall just beautiful build of this camera, buying some accessories. I'm still going to be making a video on this half grip case right here that I have, which is hand stitched and handmade in Korea, and it is gorgeous. So I'll be making a video on that. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so you're posted each and every time we get this content on the channel. But what we're going to be looking at today is the video quality of this particular camera. Now, of course, this camera isn't really meant for video, but it does shoot 4K cinema quality video in a pretty decent little size body. It is a full frame sensor, so we're going to be switching to the Leica camera here in a few moments so you can take a look at the quality of the video for yourself, and you can be the judge on whether or not you can utilize this camera to run a YouTube studio. Now, this camera does not have any type of inputs for a microphone, so I'm going to be utilizing the microphone that I use to record these videos, the Rode Video Micro. However, I'm going to be recording it to my trusty little Zoom H1 recorder, digital recorder, and then just syncing it later in post. So now we're about to switch over to the Leica camera. Alright everybody, so now we're filming on the Leica Q2, filming in 24p, 1/50th of a second, shooting in the 4K cinema codec that's offered courtesy of one of the brand new firmware updates on the Leica Q2. So if you just recently purchased a Leica Q2, either used or brand new, and it hasn't been upgraded, I definitely recommend stopping right now if you have the camera, heading on over to Leica's website, downloading the latest firmware, and installing it on your Leica Q2, because it will offer some better features and functions while utilizing the video operation on this camera, like being able to upgrade and update certain parts of your video clip, such as your shutter speed and things like that, focusing and whatnot, because previous firmwares did not allow you to change anything once you hit the record. So right now you're hearing beautiful audio coming off of an external audio recorder and a Rode Video Micro microphone about 8 inches away from my face. Now you're going to be hearing the onboard camera microphones on the Leica Q2. Of course, not the best. There's rarely a camera out there that has amazing onboard microphones. There's some that are pretty good. Sony's EV1, some Sony cameras can offer that. GoPros can offer that occasionally, but you're always going to get the very best audio when you utilize off-camera audio. It just gets rid of any type of noise that the camera may offer and things like that, and it's just a better way to record more higher quality audio. But again, let me know what you think about the video. I'm shooting in the natural color profile on the Leica. They don't have obviously a lot of color profiles. They don't offer log or anything like that. This is the closest I can get to a flatter profile and then being able to color grade, which doesn't take a lot to do on this Leica, because Leica, as you know, replicates great colors, great skin tones and things like that. But it does allow you to do a little bit of color grading if you are looking to get a little bit more of a different color within your films. The first part of this video was shot with the Fujifilm X-T4, and obviously now we are on the Leica camera. So let me know what you guys think down in the bottom comments. Is this a camera that I would recommend solely for YouTube? Absolutely not. However, if you do own the Leica and you're looking to maybe start a YouTube channel, you definitely have a great option in your Leica Q2, and I think this video is pretty stunning, considering, again, if you already have a Leica Q2. If you don't, there are cheaper alternatives out there, and I would recommend looking at some Sonys and things like that. Even some of the earlier Fuji cameras, the X-T30s and things like that, those can really offer some amazing video for a fourth of the cost. But again, guys, that wraps up this video. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the video quality you can get out of the Leica Q2. Let me know again what you guys think down in the comments. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.